kind of a EAS capture in some way by phone? I don't know. Maybe I'll just keep this video with me until a real EAS appears on the TV. Stay updated. Maybe maybe I'm just gonna. And it's happening again. You can hear it literally. It's ear rape. Just look at this. It's like hell. Except if hell was moist. I want to go outside. Literally. Holy shit. Oh shoot. You know what? I'm actually gonna keep this here. You guys can keep an eye on this. Oh fudge! Let me see if it will happen again. Maybe a severe thunderstorm warning will be in effect. Yeah, I'll capture that. Let's just... Ah! It's happening! Caught it! I got it! Okay, that was perfect. I've been prepared. Holy... What the f...
The National Weather Service in Miami has issued a flash flood warning for northern Miami.
Oh, I missed my chance of getting lightning.
Florida, southern Broward County and southeastern Florida until 10:45 p.m. At 5:47 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area.
This is like my third one?
Up to 3 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Heavy rain producing flash flooding. Source, radar indicated. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flooding include Miami, Hollywood, Miramar, Miami Beach, and Surfside.
Yeah, this is us.
Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring.
You can see lightning also flashing on the background.
Immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property.
Wow. At the moment when I'm capturing lightning as well. Let's get back to viewing lightning, everybody. And there we go. Oh, that's horrible. Hold up.
Time. Doppler radar
that's loud.
thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 3 inches of rain have already fallen.
3 inches, dude?
Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly.
Come on, capture something good.
Flash flooding. Heavy rain producing flash flooding. Source, radar indicated. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highway,
Did we get something?
and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flooding include Miami, Hollywood, Miramar, Miami Beach, and Surfside. Precautionary preparedness actions. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads.
You know this lady for the Weather Channel that speaks the alert, if you translate her for SAP for Spanish, is really annoying and can't say things right. Oh, frick. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna end it here, actually. Stay safe, everyone. And whenever there's a flash flood warning, know the saying, turn around and don't drown.